Hello and welcome. Today we're going to change the battery on a Huawei Watch 1, and the first thing you're going to need to do is order yourself a little replacement battery pack. Links available in the description below, and in that replacement battery pack you're going to get yourself a little screwdriver and a replacement battery, and then you're going to take that screwdriver and you're going to undo the 4 screws on the back of the Huawei watch. Once you've undone those 4 screws, you're going to need to grab a little plastic spudger or a credit card or something that you can slide in between the case and the back of the case just to prise it away. Once that's prized away, you can just lift that off. There's no ribbons connecting this part of the watch to anything else, so that can come right away. The next stage after you've done that is to remove 3 ribbons. The first one being there, you can just prise them away with your fingernail, they come straight off. And then there's ribbon number 2, this is actually the battery ribbon. And just prise that away gently. And then the third one you absolutely need to remove is just down there, and you can prise that away. And then we move on to the next stage. The next stage is to remove the 2 screws that are holding the motherboard to the case. And you remove them with a small Phillips head screwdriver. Now, once they're removed, you need to gently prise away these white tabs that are clicking the motherboard into place. If you just prise one away and lift up, the rest should come away without breaking the tabs off. And then you can lift the motherboard away from the rest of the watch and grab your spudger again. Just gently prise away the battery. It might be a little difficult to remove, but persist with it. And be gentle. Next thing you want to do is grab your fresh, brand spanking new battery and put that where the other one came from, and you're just going to have to be careful as you replace back the motherboard and click it down so it doesn't move about again. You just flip that motherboard over and click it back down into place. If you were gentle when removing the motherboard, the white tab should still be intact, and you can just click the motherboard down. Then grab your Phillips head screwdriver and 2 Phillips head screws. Screw them back into place. And once they're screwed back into place, you simply want to press the ribbons back down onto the motherboard. Be gentle, but you'll feel a little click when they're in place. The battery ribbon might need to be bent over slightly from your new battery just to match the position of the old one, and just gently bend that round. And then you can replace the back of the watch. That will just push back down into place. Then grab your special screwdriver and your 4 screws and replace them. Once they're replaced, you keep your fingers crossed, you hold down the power button and hope that you put everything back in the right order. And there you go, we can see I have. We've been Zany Geek, links available in the description below. Please like, comment and subscribe.